How to replace Key Fob battery on Volkswagen Golf MK4, Bora, Jetta, Passat B5 in 5 easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. One. The first method is to insert the flat blade screwdriver into that small hole and lift the logo part up. The second method, without scratching the key case, is to separate those two key case in two, using a screwdriver. Two. Lift those two clips away to open the key case. Three. Remove the battery putting the flat blade screwdriver into that small hole and replace it with a new one. This type of key is using a CR2032 battery that you can find at either video description below. Four. Put those two parts back together. 5. Put the blade together with the battery part of the key and make sure to click that into place. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.